It says find the volume of the figure above. So if you look at this figure, you understand that it is a cylinder and a cone all together. Is a cylinder and a cone all together. And if you call that the volume of a cylinder is pi r square h, and the volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r square h. So to find the volume of this cylinder join or merge with this cone, we have to add these two volumes together. So let's work on that. So we have pi. So let's do this as pi. What's our radius here? The radius here of this cylinder is half of the diameter, which is 8 divided by 2, which is 4. So we have radius as 4 square. What's the height of a cylinder is times 10 centimeters. So we plus it. Now we come to the volume of the cone. Don't forget 1/3 pi r square. So we have 1/3. We have our pi. The radius of the cylinder is the same as the radius of the cone, which is 4 square. So we have 4 square times, now the height of this cone is what? 8 and not 10. So if we work for this first before we work for this, so 4 square will give us 16 times 10, which is 160. So I'm left with 160 what? Pi, plus we have, so for this 4 square is 16 times 8, which is 128 what? Pi. So I have 128 pi all over 3. So if I find the LCM of this, we have same here 3, this is 1, 3, this is 0, 8, so it's 480 plus 3 here 128. Don't forget that they are all in what? Pi. So if I to add this 480 plus 128, I'm left with 608 over 3 what? Pi. So our answer is 608 all over 3 what? Pi. Eventually our answer is not in the question, but A looks a little bit closer to what we have here. So in JAMB we can't leave, sometimes we can't leave our answer blank. We have to pick an answer. So pick something that is nearest to this, which is what? A. So that is